When you are updating your estate planning documents, it's important that you understand what actually needs to be done to make sure that your updates are valid. I will tell you one thing that is not necessarily going to be valid and may have issues in court is if you take your document and you just start crossing things out and you start writing stuff in there. Even if you initial it and you date it, what can happen, and I've seen this in cases that we've had through probate court, is we never know the intent of why somebody did that. We never know if that they were being coerced into doing it. We never know what the intentions are. Was it just a draft? Was it their ideas? Or was it actually a valid change? So it's important to work with an estate planning attorney to make sure that whatever your changes are, you're able to actually put those in writing so that they are very clear, so that your intention is known. And that's going to cause your family or the situation with whatever's going through court to be a lot easier to go through. So, when you have assets that have beneficiary designations, these are things that the assets don't necessarily have to go through probate court or they're not owned jointly. They have a beneficiary designation. It's important that you are reviewing these beneficiary designations at least annually. And the reason for it is you never know who you had on there. And this can be something that was done when you maybe first created the account, and it was 10, 20 years ago. And so by reviewing those beneficiary designations annually, you at least know what your intention is with those documents, that it is actually valid. So it's important with all of your assets to make sure that you are checking that beneficiary designation.